Hello and welcome. I am at CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. I want to show you this Adria All In camper van. It's what I call sort of relatively basic Fiat Ducato camper van. So when I say it's a Fiat Ducato camper van, it doesn't mean to say it's a Fiat Ducato. I need to point this very clearly. This one is though. It costs 67,000 euros. And this thing here, give you the weight if I can find it. It's claiming a payload of nearly 550 kilos. So 6-meter camper van, and plenty of storage inside. So it's the color with black color, which often you see in the Adria models. You notice the way that the shape of the kitchen block shaped, so it gives less room over there than is at the beginning. There we've got 2 burners. Here we've got a sink. We've got a very nice large washroom. This thing here comes over, should you pull it a bit harder. This thing here comes over, so there's your shower, though you will have to put this over because you won't have access to the tap by not putting it over. But even so, look how much space it actually gives. So that is really good for such a 6-meter vehicle. 2 drainage points, full size. Excellent, well done. Well done, Adria, for that. Now I'm gonna find that's a really good. That really is a really good washroom. Even though you have to do, even though I've put the tap on that side. Sensible sliding door here. Over here we've got this fridge. Under the fridge there is a wardrobe. There's the bed at the back. It's contoured around, so it's wider at this left-hand side end, or my left-hand side end. There is on the other side. Storage around there as well. And we'll have a quick look outside. Obviously you've got storage in the kitchen block as you'd expect. And let's come round here, have a look at the rear end of it. What was this price? 67,000 if I remember rightly. There's look at the rear. Over here we'll find we've got the 2 gas cylinders go in there, and of course, like all camper vans, all this will lift up if necessary. So there you go. That is the Adria Twin 600 SP camper van, done rather quickly. I'd have done it a bit slower if I hadn't had the racket on in the background. I've got to be very careful about potential copyright music in my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.